Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and staying at home. So, we have started a series of lectures and hope you all are also trying to find some information or trying to read certain books so that you will be able to study something for your 10th standard. So here we are starting with the science 2, and before we are going to start, first of all I would like to welcome you all for your 10th standard. Also here we'll be seeing paper pattern. First of all, paper pattern and topic wise weightage for science 1 as well as for science 2. So let's begin with the revised question paper pattern for science and technology part 2. Here for 9th standard, how it was, same pattern will be there, standard board pattern. We are going to discuss it here. So for science 1 and science 2, the paper pattern will be the same. Only the difference is, as we know, in science 1 the topics are divided in chemistry and physics, whereas in science 2 the topics are divided in biology and environmental science. So the questions will be either from in science 1 the questions from chemistry or physics will be asked, and in science 2 the questions from biology and EVS or environmental science will be asked. So let's start with the question paper pattern. So we know that science 1 will carry 40 mark written paper, science 2 will and for science 2 there will be 40 mark written paper and practical for 20 marks. Okay, so this is in all 100 marks science and technology will be there for your board final exam. Now let's start with the paper pattern. Before that, let's see certain instructions. So as you are seeing here, very first all the questions must be attempted. The second, wherever necessary, scientifically correct diagrams and correct labeling should be drawn. The very important instruction, start every main question on a new page. Okay, so for sub questions you can use the you can write continuously, but for writing the new question you will have to start it on the new page. Like question number 1A, 1B you can write continuously, but to start question number 2, that is 2A, you will have to come on the new page. You will have to start it on the new page. Similarly, you can write question number 2A, 2B continuously. To write question number 3, you will have to come on the new page. You will have to start the question on new page. Okay, so numbers to the right side on the question paper, they indicate the marks. Next, question number 1A, which will be of MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. 4 options will be given. Out of that, only first answer, only for the marks will be given only for the first answer or the first attempt. That is, if you are writing attempting the same question for 2 or 3 times, then if your first attempt is wrong and if your second attempt is right, then too you will not be given marks, as only the first attempt will be considered. So you will have to be careful while writing the multiple choice question answers. If you are not sure, then think and write the correct answer only, and if you find that the answer you have written is wrong, then put strike the question, strike that answer, okay, erase it and write it again. So don't keep your first and second answer over there, so that if you kept like that only, you will be getting marks for first attempt only. Okay, for first attempt you will have, if it is right then you will get mark, if not you will lose it. Okay, let's go for the next instruction. The answer to every MCQ should be written as shown. Example is given here. Example 1 in A. That means only alphabet you will have to write. You need not to write the whole answer. Only you can write the alphabet option, alphabet of the correct option. Okay. So let's begin with the paper pattern. Question number 1A, as here it is given, you can take screenshot of this. Okay, I will make it small so that you can get the all marking scheme also along with this. So question number 1A, 5 questions, 1 mark each, and it is of MCQs, multiple choice question. 4 option will be given and correct option, alphabet of the correct option you will have to write. Okay, and all these questions will only from textbook. So reading of the textbook is very important. If you will not read the textbook, you will not be able to answer the questions, as whole question paper will be based on textbook only. Next, question number 1B, 5 questions of 1 mark each. These are the objective type of questions, and most important thing, this will not be having filling the blank question. No filling the blank question will be asked. Beside that, other question can be there, like odd man out, true or false, match the following, give relation between, or give example of some, all this type, objective type, but filling the blank question will not be there. Next, question number 2A, 3 scientific reasons, questions of 2 marks each, and you will have to attempt any 2. So for 2 mark, 3 scientific reasons will be asked. You will have to attempt any 2, and in this also 1 question will be of biology, 1 question will be of EVS, and remaining 1 is it depends on the paper setter, whether the paper setter wish to put it from the biology or from the EVS. It depends on the paper setter. Okay, similarly for science 1, in this question, instead of biology and EVS, chemistry and physics will be there. 1 question of chemistry, 1 question of physics, and one question depends on the paper setter. Next, question number 2B, 5 questions of 2 mark each. Here you will have to attempt any 3 questions, and minimum 2 questions from biology and 2 questions from the EVS. And 5th question, it depends on the paper setter whether it will be from the EVS or biology. So here also you will have to attempt 3 questions. Out of 5 you will have to attempt 3 questions. Okay, and each will carry 2 marks. So these are the 6 marks. Question number 3, 8 questions will be there, and out of that 8, all these 8 questions, each question of this among these will carry 3 marks, and you will have to attempt any 5. So 3 5s are 15 marks for question number 3. In this question also again 4 questions from biology and 4 questions from the EVS, environmental science. And question number 4, that is 2 questions will be there, each of 5 marks, and you will have to attempt any 1 out of it. And in this also 1 from the biology and 1 from the EVS or environmental science. So in this way, this all together becomes 40 marks, and with option it is 60 marks. Similarly for the science 1 also, it will be instead of biology and EVS, there is chemistry and physics. So that is only the difference. Now let's see which type of questions can be there for which type of question. For example, question number 1B, which type of objective type of questions will be there. Okay, Like question number 1a multiple choice question, we are knowing that all the 5 question will be having option, 4 option will be given for every question and each will carry 1 mark. But for question number 1b, it is objective type question, but all the questions will not be of the same kind. Here the different types are shown. Out of that, any 5 can be taken, like odd man out, okay, then correlate. So here the question is of same scientific concept and you will have to determine the correlation between these two concepts, okay. And third type is match the column or make pairs. 4 to 5 words will be given, okay, and if two words are given in one column, then you will have to match them with the column B. So 3 or 4 options will be given in column B and you will have to match them. Next type is of true or false. That means one type or one question will be of true or false. And fifth question will be of give the names or molecular formula. So molecular formula, obviously it will be in science 1, okay. Give the names or give the examples can be asked for science 2. So you'll have to complete in flowchart type, okay, or the this type of question can be also include a figure, okay, to name. You'll have to label or you'll have to name the figure, or you can you'll have to fill in the blanks in a flow chart, okay. Flow chart will be given. No filling the blanks question will be asked in this type, okay. And again for question number 2 that we have seen, scientific reasons will be there. For question number 2b, which types of question can be there? That solve the numerical problems. Obviously this will be for the science 1, not in the science 2. Law, define principles, okay. So definitions can be there from the science 2, but laws and principles are in again science 1. Short notes, chemical reactions with equations. Again chemical reactions with equation are in science 1, not for science 2. And complete the flow chart. Obviously this can be in both science 1 and 2. Give difference between. Here you'll have to write minimum 4 differences, okay, should be pointed out, and these points should be independent. 4 different independent points should be there. Next, write properties, characteristics, uses, advantage, effects. So uses, advantage, effects, this type of questions should be there, can be there. Next, give example. So 5 questions will be there in question number 2b, but you can find here 8 type of examples, 8 type of questions are shown. That means out of these 8 type of questions, any 5 type of questions can be asked. So you should be prepared with this. Now question number 3. In this also 8 questions are there. You will have to attempt any 5, and you can see here at least 11 type of questions are given, and from that 11 type of question, 8 type of question will be asked, like give the explanation using the given statement, okay. So the statement will be given and you will have to write at least 6 points to explain that concept. Then suggest remedies or measures, what you will do, what can be okay, what should be done. So like this, remedies or measures can be asked, okay. And these are about the questions or the problems which are related to our day-to-day life. Now question number C, the third type of question, explanation of diagrams. So diagrams, unlabeled diagrams will be there, and you will have to label and explain it. Some of the times only labeling can be there, some of the time label and as well as explain. Next type, complete the table or chart. You will have to complete the table and ask the students to complete and give information based on it. Maybe you will have to complete only the table or complete only the chart, or you'll have to complete it as well as you'll have to explain it. Okay, next, solve the numerical problems. Obviously this will be in science 1 and not in science 2. Complete the diagram. So incomplete diagram will be given and you will have to complete it. Okay, like food chain or some other examples can be there of diagram which you will have to complete. Okay, in science 1 also the electric circuit or the circuit diagram, incomplete circuit diagram will be given and you will have to complete it. Answer based on answer questions based on figures. So based on figures certain questions will be asked. For example, the figure will be given and it is asked from for example, any animal is given and it is asked from which phylum this animal belongs. Okay, what are the characteristics of this animal, or give a few more examples or name this animal. Okay, like this question can be asked. Diagram will be given and question can be asked. So write answers with explanation, and few answers and with explanation can be there. Write laws, theories and explain laws and theories. Obviously this will be in science 1. So complete the paragraph. So here in paragraph there will be filling the blanks. At least 6 blank spaces and 7 to 8 options will be given and you will have to complete the paragraph. This is about question number 3. In question number 4 you will find you will have to attempt any one question out of 2, sorry. Each will carry 5 marks. So here it can be draw a figure and give explanation. You will have to draw figure and you have to explain each part of the figure. For example, typical draw the diagram of typical flower and explain the reproductive parts in it. So you will have to explain the reproductive parts of the flower, or the question can be like similarly explain, draw neat label diagram of female reproductive system and explain the important reproductive part. So like this, draw figure and give explanation. Second type can be given incorrect diagram and you will have to correct it and you will have to explain it. So the diagram given will be incorrect and it will be asked you to correct the diagram as well as to give the explanation for the same. Next, classify with detailed explanation. So you will have to classify and you have to give the detailed explanation. For example, classification of certain animals and their characteristics can be asked. Now read the given paragraph and answer to the question. Here the paragraph will be given and based on that 5 questions will be asked for 5 marks. Each will carry 1 mark, or maybe 4 questions will be asked. 3 questions will carry 1 mark and 1 is of 2 mark. But here you will not be able to find your answers easily from the paragraph. You will have to understand the whole paragraph, and depending on that the question you will have to attempt the questions. So it will be, the question asked will be of high order thinking questions. Okay, HOTS question. So next type of question, complete the given incomplete table or chart and give explanation. Any chart or table will be given which is incomplete. For example, classification of animals. The chart for the classification of animals can be asked, and it will or criteria for the classification of animals can be asked, can be given, which is incomplete. You will have to complete it as well as you will have to explain it or answer the questions in detail. So any answer in detail can be asked. Okay, so here make a concept diagram based on any component or technology. So you'll have to draw a concept diagram based on any component or any technology. So here this is about the question types. Here you can see very short answer questions will be of 10 marks. Okay, short answers 15 marks, long answer 5 marks, and obviously objective type of questions are of 10 marks. So objective questions 10 marks, short answers 10 marks, very short answers 10 marks, short answers 15 marks, long answer 5 marks, total 40 marks, sorry. Now chapter wise weightage. For gravitation 3 marks compulsory. Here this is science 1 I am saying. For gravitation 3 mark compulsory, 5 marks with option. Periodic classification of elements 4 mark compulsory, 6 marks with option. Chemical reaction and equations 4 mark compulsory, 6 marks with option. Effects of electric current 5 marks compulsory, 7 marks with option. Heat 3 marks, 5 marks with option. Refraction of light 5 marks, 7 marks with option. Lenses 4 marks, 6 marks with option. Metallurgy 4 marks, 6 marks with option. Carbon compounds 5 marks, 7 marks with option. Space missions 3 marks, 5 marks with option. So here you will get the idea that on which lessons you will have to focus more, which are important lessons, which carries more marks. Okay, so accordingly you can focus. Now for science 2, the first lesson heredity and evolution 3 marks and with option 5 marks. Life processes in living organism part 1 4 marks with option 6 marks. Life processes in living organism part 2 5 marks, 7 marks with option. Environmental management 5 marks and 7 marks with option. Towards green energy 4 marks, 6 marks with option. Animal classification 4 marks, 6 marks with option. Introduction to microbiology 4 marks, 6 marks with option. Cell biology and biotechnology 4 marks, 6 marks with option. Social health 4 marks, 6 marks with option. Disaster management 3 marks and 5 marks with option. So total 40 marks compulsory, 60 marks with option. So 40, 80 marks here we have seen. Now 20 marks practical will be there, and in this practical 10 marks for science 1 and 10 marks for science 2. Here also for science 1 you will have to perform one experiment, and for science 2 you will have to perform one experiment. Like this 2 experiments you will have to perform, each will be carrying 6 marks. So 6 marks for science 1, 6 marks for science 2. Now 2 marks for journal in science 1 and 2 marks for journal in science 2. 2 marks for activity in science 1, 2 marks for activity in science 2. So 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10 marks in science 1, 6 plus 2 plus 2, 10 marks in science 2, togetherly 20 marks. So 40 plus 40 plus 20 is total of 100. So this is about the 100 marks of science and technology. In performing experiment also, here the distribution of the marks is given. Methodology of the experiment, it will be carrying 3 marks for science 1 and 3 marks for science 2 obviously. Observations 2 marks for science 1, 2 marks for science 2, and to writing conclusion or inference 1 mark for science 1, 1 mark for science 2. So in all 12 marks for science 1 and science 2, that is 6 marks for science 1, 6 marks for science 2. Okay, hope you understood the paper pattern and you got it. Similar will be I'm here, this all PDF file is there. If I'm giving the important paper pattern and all, here I'm providing it. You can take the screenshot and you can save it for your references. See here, these are the question types, which type of questions can be asked. Okay, question number 1B, question number 2B, question number 3. Okay, this is question number 4 also. This is chapter wise weightage for science 1. This is chapter wise weightage for science 2. Okay, so here we are going to stop. Thank you so much. You can give me feedback on the group, so I can come to know whether you understood or not. If you have certain queries, then please ask. Thank you so much. And assignment or the questions will be given when the teaching will start. After that, questions will be given. Thank you so much.